Hey, today I'm going to find out how many things I can stick to my helmet. Let's find out. Alright, here's some wallet. Nope, that's already failing. Okay, got a wallet. Put a cell phone on here. Should we charge our cell phone? Some headphones. Get it. Maybe a jam box on there. Put a pill bottle. There we go. There we go. Some glasses. Okay, I could probably put more on, but maybe we'll stop there for now. Nope. Let's get some chapstick on there. Headphones. Let's see. In case I need a mouse, I can put a mouse on there. What else should I put on my helmet here? Oh, not enough Velcro. Okay, shoe maybe not happening. Kinda. Alright, I think that's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Velcro helmet. This will end the demonstration. Oh, things are falling